Recording the sewer at 5010 13th Avenue South. Dates July 2nd, 2021. Recording from the inside, clean out in the basement. There's a large root at the tap to the main. The next bell beyond this root is the city main. So we're going to come back from this point. I can't get all the way through that route because it's just nasty. Come back from that point. Yeah, it's a pretty nasty root in that section.
Do you see any spots where the gas stops might be going in?
Four-inch by 6-inch transition. I'm going to go locate it on property. Alright, located the 4x6 transition about 2 feet deep right next to the rockery. I'm going to push out and get one more locate. Alright, we got a spot in the parking strip located about 5 feet deep right here. I'm going to keep pulling back and take a look. Four-inch by 6-inch transition, zeroing out the footage. There we're coming back into the cast and up out of the clean out here. I'm going to end the video there. And go get some final locates. 40 feet of 4-inch.